Students, today we are going to learn about manufacturing account. Manufacturing account is prepared before preparation of trading profit and loss account and balance sheet. So before preparation of trading account, they will prepare manufacturing account. The balance of manufacturing account transferred to the trading account, which is called cost of production. Today I am going to teach you the format of manufacturing account. Look at the board. Pro forma of manufacturing account. It has two sides, debit side and credit side. Debit side, first item is to direct material. To direct material account. Here opening stock of raw material plus purchase of raw material plus carriage on raw material minus return of raw material minus closing stock of raw material. We'll get one value that we called raw material consumed or raw material used. So in direct material, we have to draw format like this: opening stock of raw material plus purchase of raw material plus carriage on raw material minus return of raw material to the supplier minus closing stock of raw material. We'll get a raw material consumed. Then direct wages should be debited. Direct wages. Then direct expenses. In direct expenses, royalty paid on technology used for the production. In direct expenses, royalty paid on technology on production of goods. Then higher charges for machinery used. Will come. Then factory expenses, factory overhead or factory expenses. Here indirect material, indirect wages, depreciation, repairs and maintenance, next higher charges of factory. Students, direct wages, direct expenses. In direct expenses, royalty paid, higher charges for machinery used. In factory overhead, or we can say factory expenses, indirect material, indirect wages, depreciation on plant and machinery, repair and maintenance, higher charges of factory. Then in debit side, we should start with the opening work in progress. We can treat opening work in progress in two types. One we can include in the factory overhead, another one we can first debited to the manufacturing account. Then opening work in progress debited, then closing work in progress should be credited. If sale of scrap is given, that also should be credited because it is an income. Then sale of byproducts. What is sale of byproduct? For example, a sugar company having the byproduct of molasses, cheese company and butter company having the byproduct of buttermilk. They will sell. On realization of byproduct, if they get anything, that should be credited to the manufacturing account. Then we have to balance it. Debit side always higher than credit side. So first to total the debit side, bring it to the credit side. Then the balancing figure, that should be transferred to trading account. This we called cost of production. This we called cost of production. This we called cost of production. This item, cost of production, debited to the trading account. Students, let me see one problem in relation to the manufacturing account. Students, let me see one problem relating to the manufacturing account. Look at the board. This question I have taken from CA Foundation model. Yes, look at the board. Mr. Vimal runs a factory which produces soaps. Following details were available in respect of his manufacturing activities for the year ended 31st March 2016. So I drawn format manufacturing account for the year ended 31st March 2016. In this problem, units and amount both are given. So I drawn two columns, one column for unit, another column for rupees. Okay. Then opening work in progress, closing work in progress, opening raw material, closing raw material, purchase of raw material, higher charges of machine, higher charges of factory, direct wages, closing work in progress, repair and maintenance, unit produced. These are all given. Now I am going to prepare. Yes, first item is opening work in progress. Unit and amount both are given. It will be debited to opening work in progress, units 10,000, the cost of opening work in progress 16,000. Then closing work in progress, it should be credited by closing work in progress, units 12,000, the value 20,000. Next, raw material. So we have to find raw material consumed. Raw material consumed, or we can write direct material also. Raw material consumed, or we can use raw material used. What is the format? Opening stock of raw material plus purchase of raw material. Opening stock of raw material plus purchase of raw material plus carriage on purchase of raw material minus sale purchase return. Then minus closing stock of raw material. Here opening stock of raw material, closing stock of raw material, purchase, these three only given. Yes, opening stock how much? 1,70,000. Purchase of raw material 8,20,000. Total 9,90,000, of which we have to deduct closing stock of raw material is about 8 lakh. Closing stock of raw material is about 1,90,000. It's about 1,90,000. So balance 8 lakh should be recorded in the amount column. This is called raw material consumed or raw material used. Then we have to record direct wages. Next we have to record direct wages. So opening work in progress, closing work in progress, opening raw material, closing raw material, purchases are taken. Now we have to take direct wages. Where? Here. Direct wages contracted 80 per unit of manufactured, 40 per unit of closing work in progress. Okay. So direct wages 80 paise of goods manufactured, 40 paise of closing work in progress. Closing work in progress given in the question. How much units? 12,000. 12,000 units. So if we multiply, we will get 4,800. Then we have to find manufactured units. Units produced how much? 5 lakh. On that we have to calculate 5 lakh units. So it's about 4 lakh. So total 4,800. Direct wages over. Then we have to take direct expenses. Direct expenses. In direct expenses, royalty, higher charges of machinery will be recorded. Okay. Here higher charges of machinery only given. So higher charges of machinery, 60 per unit of manufactured. 60 per unit of manufactured. So 60 paise per unit of manufactured. Manufactured how much? 5 lakh unit. So 60 paise into 5 lakh will get 3 lakh. Then factory expenses. So other expenses we can include in the factory expenses or factory overhead. So what are all remaining? Higher charges of the factory. Higher charges of factory. Higher charges of factory how much? 2 lakh 20,000 we have taken, direct wages taken, repair and maintenance also factory expenses, repair and maintenance also included in the factory expenses. Repair and maintenance 1,80,000. Unit produced, it should be transferred to the trading account. Units are given, account transferred. How many units? 5 lakh unit. Now I am going to close the amount column of the manufacturing account. The total of the amount column 19,20,800. 19,20,800. 90,20,800 minus 20,000 will get 19,800. This value transferred to the trading account debit side as cost of production. Cost of production. Students, we learned manufacturing account preparation. In next class, we will solve one more problem relating to the manufacturing account. Till then, bye and thank you.